Let's put the TM808 into action by finding, pinpointing, and estimating the depth of a target. The volume will increase and the meter will read higher when the instrument is passed over a buried metal object. When the target is close to the surface, the meter may go full scale and the volume of the beep will increase to maximum. Remember, when searching in the auto position, the detector must be kept in motion when trying to find the center of the target. If the detector is stopped over the target, the sound of the signal will fade. Cross the suspected target area from at least 2 directions, noting the area of loudest sound and meter indication. This procedure of Xing over the target pinpoints the target center. When using the no auto position, a surface target can appear to be very large. This is normal. The target must be narrowed down to determine its location more accurately. Pass over the target area from at least 2 different directions. When the meter goes full scale, momentarily press and release the push button control. Continue to cross the target, pressing and releasing the push button control several times. There will be a point where the meter reading and the speaker beep will peak out and start to drop back down. It's at this peak that the front loop is over the buried metal object. Pressing and releasing the push button while the target is under the loop will shrink the signal and make pinpointing easier. When using no auto, the push button is needed to pinpoint the target, whereas in the auto position, the automatic threshold function pinpoints automatically. The most efficient way to search an area is to use a grid-like pattern over the area selected. Try to keep the grid lines no more than 5 feet apart. Make several passes in one direction, then turn 90 degrees and make several more passes to assure that you haven't missed any buried objects. The target will usually be pinpointed under the front loop or antenna. Sometimes deeper targets will appear to locate closer toward the rear of the instrument. Usually this will be no more than 3 or 4 inches from the rear of the front loop, even for the deepest targets. Once the center of a target has been pinpointed and marked, the approximate depth it is located in the ground can be determined by using the following triangulating method. Move off to one side of the pinpointed target center mark. Set the automatic threshold to the no auto position. Press and release the push button on the handle. Move directly towards the pinpoint mark, stopping when the target first begins to respond. At this point, the distance from the center of the front loop or antenna to the pinpoint mark is the approximate depth the material is buried in the ground. An alternate pinpointing method is to back into the area from all sides, boxing in the target response. The target will be located at the center of the box. The TM808 is an advanced tool for finding larger, deeper objects. All of us here at WhitesElectronics want you to have the best experience with your detector as possible. As sophisticated as your detector is, it will perform even better as you gain experience with its use and learn its incredible capabilities. Happy hunting!